2020 is the worst year we have seen so far.
Yeah, I mean, just look. War, global pandemic, bushfire in Australia, riots, and all these things happen within an year. Piyush, I'm telling you, our generation has suffered the most in the entire human history.
But Lokinder, you were preparing for entrance exam of some colleges. In how many of you got selected?
Actually, none.
None. But you got 4 extra months to prepare for it.
You know how terrible this year was. I could do nothing. There was no inspiration at all. See, I told you this is a terrible year.
Listen, look. Tell me every bad thing that happened this year.
Everything?
Yes, every bad thing that happened.
Alright.
The target was one of Iran's most senior leaders, Qasem Soleimani.
War hero and commander that works under the Iraqi Prime Minister. So there will be severe consequences.
We took action last night to stop a war. We did not take action to start a war.
What's happening in Australia is unprecedented. The bushfires have killed 18 people, they've killed close to 500 million animals.
Some 20,000 tons of fuel spilled from
COVID-19 can be characterized as a pandemic.
Coronavirus is the biggest threat.
India has accused China of violating border agreements as the armies of both countries engage in a tense standoff.
A geopolitical storm is brewing in the eastern Mediterranean. Greece and Turkey have sent warships.
The fighting between Azerbaijan and Armenian forces has been going on for nearly 3 weeks there.
Tensions between China and Taiwan have hit a high not seen in years.
The U.S. will send 2 aircraft carriers and several other airships to the disputed region.
Cemented. We are projecting global growth in 2020 for -3%. This is a crisis like no other.
Whoa. Okay, Lokinder, stop.
See, I told you this was a terrible year.
Yes, indeed it was. But Lokinder, how many of these things stopped you from preparing for your exam?
Yeah, but with all this thing going around, how could I focus? There was no...
Motivation?
Yeah.
Motivation. Okay. I see. Lokinder, come in. Okay, Lokinder, come, touch my hand.
Why?
Just touch it.
I bring a trick or something?
Just do it.
Nothing happened. No! Piyush, what the hell was that?
Look, Lokinder, how beautiful it is. Isn't it?
Indeed.
Lokinder, this entire area which you are seeing right now was burned in a terrible fire in 60s. Terrible year that was. And no rainfall as well. The MLA of the area also gave up. But some people, unlike you, didn't. They grew plants for almost 3 years and watered it for next 3 decades. Because of which this beautiful area didn't got converted into a deserted mountain.
Good to know, but why are you telling me this?
Because even though this year was terrible, but some people didn't give up like you. The health workers didn't give up. They worked day and night and risked their lives to save us.
Yeah, but they had all the resources and they had a supporting environment as well.
Oh, you're still stuck on resources. Let's not get too far. You and Kush gave entrance exam of some Symbiosis college, right?
Well, I guess.
Yeah, you did. And can you tell me whose family is more financially off? Who has got a better computer or a smartphone? Who lives in an apartment or who has a big house?
Just because I live in a better environment where I'm financially off, doesn't mean that my environment will be good.
With all the facilities.
Yes, in a boring environment.
Elaborate that.
Never. I went to entire the internet and no address at the home.
Lokinder, very weird. I've seen many cases similar as yours, same goal as yours, same environment as yours, but the result says otherwise. Because of some temporary feeling, you're not able to get to your goal.
Can you prove it?
Okay, let's start with you first. Parth.
Hi.
Thanks.
Hey, isn't that my diary? Huh? You can teleport too? What are you doing here?
Now we will see how many of goals you achieved this year and who is responsible for it. Goals of 2020. Well, you've designed the first page very well, but now let's see the implementation. Let's start with the first one. I will wake early in the morning. Parth?
His online classes starts on 9 a.m. He wakes up at 10.
His sister log in on his PR.
So she gave you my diary. Does she know about the teleportation?
Doesn't matter. But why do you wake up late?
College work, projects and some other work.
Other work, you mean 5 hours of Instagram, 2 hours of YouTube, and Minecraft 3 hours. Oh, 10 extra hours of this work. Now because of this you failed entrance exam. Now you blame COVID also?
No, but if you were in my place.
Number 2, I'll have a fit body, both athletic and with muscle.
Remember, I was the only one who came to school with cycle.
And when was the last time you used it?
On 21st March, the last exam we held. Since then, his cycle is eating dirt.
He says here he'll prepare for a marathon. When was the last time you went for running?
Only once he went for running this year. On his birthday.
Looks like someone needs birthday every day. How do you know about those details?
But what was your BMI before lockdown?
17.
And now?
20.1.
Okay, you see, and your BMI went from 17 to 17.4, and that too is your fat.
Parth have a bike and gym is closer to his house.
And you goddamn have dumbbells and weightlifter at your home. What do you do with them?
They face similar fate as psychic.
Number 4, I will enter my dream college.
Who should have laughed hearing his excuse?
Number 5, I will improve my filmmaking. I have made 10 videos.
In last 12 months. Every one video for every 36 days.
It takes time to make a creative video.
And how many views those creative videos got you? Someone posted a copied video, it got more views than yours.
Number 6, I'll improve my vision.
I doubt that. With 10 hours of other work.
Number 7, I will be more social.
Oh, only on social media. Number 8, I will...
Okay, it was my fault.
You're acting like a little whiny baby. That's a fact.
Look, I tried.
Really? Did you try it when you planted the trees? Don't we look so surprised? I know you planted 2 trees on your birthday and watered them every day.
But when they got half eaten by the ship, you gave up. It was over.
It wasn't. They survived for 2 months, but you never watered them. Can you call it a murder? Every time, Lokinder, you set up a goal, and when you hit the first obstacle, you gave up. You waste your time on playing games, watching videos, and surfing internet. Your environment controls you. Otherwise, it should be other way around.
This looks good in theory, but in reality, it doesn't work.
But did it work with her? The only person you love. And what a great way to confess, with a love letter.
I got rejected. She lived far away and there was no communication.
And you handled it very well. While some people become jokers on Instagram stories, you worked on your stuttering. I remember in one standard, you used to stutter like hell. And next year, you won the debate competition.
That case was an exception.
How? Confession was your goal. Rejection was your obstacle. Becoming Devdas was an emotional temptation. Look, you had 2 paths. In one, you acted like mature. And in other one, you acted like a sensitive retard. What happened, happened. There's no point whining about it. Look, you have 2 choices again. The one which you will choose will decide your future. Okay, it is getting dark. I should go. Good luck.
Oi, wait! How do you know about the letter and all those details? I never told them to anyone. Not there in the diary. And how can you teleport?
Teleportation wasn't real. That was an illusion.
You can't lie now. I felt it and it was very much real.
Really? Can you tell me, how did we reach here?
You teleported us from the park.
And how did you reach park?
I got there with...
And how did you reach here? Car, cycle, bike, or bus? Everything we experienced so far was a dream. So, when the moment you will realize this, you will wake up. So Lucky, wake up.